The list view in ToolManageriQ has some handy functions that I'll show you now. And they work the same in all of the sections, so I'll show you this in the Tools one. And this is the list view that I'm talking about here, where there's a series of columns with a bunch of information in there. So the first thing that you can do is decide what columns to show and hide by right-clicking in this purple cell here. You can see how many there are available, so having them all showing will be a little bit much. But any column that has a check mark beside it will be displayed, and if it doesn't have a check mark, it'll be hidden. And then there's a quick select all and deselect all option there too. So I have these particular columns shown right now, but another thing I can do is reorder the columns. All I have to do is just click and hold and drag and drop, and that will move the column to wherever I'm dropping it. And keep in mind, all of these functions will apply when I'm printing or exporting as well. So it's a good way to customize your list just the way that you want it to look. Now when it comes time to finding tools, you can apply filters to the columns as well by right-clicking on the header. So if I right-click here and I'm looking for some specific 880 drill, let's say, and I put 880 in there, and you can see it's filtered everything else out. Now if I'm looking for even more of a narrow down, then I can apply multiple filters to multiple columns. So if I know I want a 1/2 inch diameter, I can apply another filter to the diameter column and keep on applying filters until I find what I'm looking for, which can be very helpful. If I want to clear filters, I can right click and I can clear each individually, or I can remove all filters to go back to seeing everything that's in that selected group. So very handy, and you'll see that come up in the printing as well, in the exporting.